I thought you were going to say it.
I like
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing. Today we have...
Universal Yums.
It's her favorite box. But guess what? I am not on Whole 30 this week. Because last time you took all the snacks, right?
Yeah.
You took all the snacks, y'all. And if you want to know where we're going this month, then please keep on watching.
Please keep on watching
Keep
and
on
give my
watching.
teacher a thumbs up.
And give us a thumbs up. Okay, we are going to the Netherlands. So, Jaquela had lots of fun using the stickers for the snacks. So we're going to let her do that again. Let me see if I can find, there are the stickers. So here's the stickers. Oh, and you can use these too. They say 10 out of 10 with snack again. This is yummy. Such a Dutch crunch. This sure is Gouda. Why? And then there's this one like, why did I eat that? So there's lots of stickers. So make sure you use the correct one. Here are our stickers for today's activities. Away we go to the Netherlands. Let's see if we got any trivia.
There's some trains. Right here. I see trains.
There we go. It's the trivia train. Let's do a couple.
Alright.
Short on cash, one Dutch rail company lets you ride in exchange for what? What do you have to exchange to ride? Is it music, books, a good report card, or labor?
A good report card.
I was going to pick good report card. So let's see. The answer is books. We were both wrong. We were both wrong. So you can give them a book in exchange to ride the train for free, or the Dutch rail for free. The next and last question, because we have to jump into these snacks. There are more what in the Netherlands than there are people? Are there more bicycles, windmills, subway stops, or dogs? What would you say? I'm going with the DOGS.
What was it again?
Are there more bikes, windmills, subway stops, or dogs in the Netherlands than there are people?
I'm picking bikes.
Bicycles?
Yeah.
There are no bicycles than people. Leave your car at home and take the bike.
I got that one right.
She did. Okay, that's our last trivia. We're jumping into the snacks because if there's something in here that I'm going to keep it.
We got the first one that says first. This one, it says first.
Okay. I'm going to let you just grab one out because you can see those. So you grab one out. We got to make her room, y'all. She got to grab the snack out, give it to me. I got to share it with y'all. Then she got to try to figure out which one of these little things is going to go with it. So, what's our first snack? Okay. She wants to go in order of the list, y'all. She dug through the box for this. Dug through the box. It's okay. This is from Roka. These are Gouda Cheese Krispies. So the first stop on our trip through the Netherlands is Gouda. And we're not talking about the cheese. Well, we are, but not yet. Let's try that again. We're talking about the city of Gouda, named for the cheese Gouda because it's widely known for Gouda. Did that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. It has 140 calories in this bag. No sugars and no added sugars. It does contain wheat, milk, traces of sesame. I'm trying one. Don't eat it yet. Did y'all see the face? Did y'all see that face? Here we go. These remind me of the Parmesan crisp like you can get at Aldi's. That's what these remind me of. Pretty good. Cheese snacks. Yeah. Just like dried cheese. I like it. What do you think? We're going to show you all the emojis at the end. Okay, what's our next item we're getting out?
The next item is these chips.
From Traffoy, this is the Bio-Organic Snack Hand-Cooked Sea Salt and Pepper Potato Chips. Classic seasoning on a one-of-a-kind chip. Let's get our chips out. Hang on. Okay, so you can kind of see a little bit of the pepper on the chip. Probably more so on hers. She's got a lot of black pepper on hers. So let's taste it. I don't think she likes it. She can eat the whole chip. She has placed her emoji on the page. Okay, what's our next item in the box? She's been eyeballing this, y'all. She has. This is the milk chocolate with hazelnut praline. She thinks she's getting this. She is not. Because what? I love chocolate. So this is the hazelnut cream milk chocolate Dutch cocoa with rich hazelnut cream filling. And it says, this yum is about to teach you a lesson about deliciousness. Are you ready to be schooled in deliciousness?
No.
You're not?
No.
Here I am. So this is what it is. It's thick, y'all. Real thick. It does have individual pieces there. But I feel like she wants one of these whole things. It's very, you can see the hazelnut cream filling there on the inside. Hold that. Okay, let's taste it out. Yep, you can see that. You can definitely taste the cocoa. What do you think? You like it? So the detail on this packaging does depict the 1897 reading board that helped generations of Dutch children learn to read. It'll teach you Dutch names as well as the words for fire, lamb, and buck. It's a nice little teaching tool, and you get a treat afterwards. She has her emoji. She has her. What's our next item? She has her emoji down, y'all.
They look like gingerbread.
These look like scary gingerbread. This is Speculoos spiced cookies, possibly the coziest spice cookies ever. Spice cookies. Their name comes from the Latin word speculum, meaning mirror.
Oh, look.
So the spice cookies designs mirror the stamp used to print them. Here you go. Hold that.
These does look like gingerbread.
They do look like scary gingerbread man.
Mmm.
You know what this reminds me of? I think they're called Biscoff, like biscuits, cookies, the spice room. Ooh. Okay, that was delicious. If you are a fan of spice cookies or spiced cake, everything.
Oh, look.
Okay.
It showed me where this one is. But it says go to this one.
Yeah.
It looks like waffle eggs.
Yeah, she's definitely not gonna get this. Stroop waffles. Y'all know. Y'all know. You can find these at Aldi's during Christmas time. I bought like 5 boxes, y'all. Put them in the freezer. Lay this on top of a cup of hot coffee or tea. Let that caramel melt on the inside. It is everything. Everything. Caramel Stroop waffles. Taste the original Dutch sensation. Need I say more? We're not going to taste that. We're not going to taste that. Because if I open it, I'm going to have to finish it off. Did you want to try a Stroop waffle?
Yes. I never tried one before.
I feel like you was over here when we had it in a box before.
No.
I feel like we've gone to the Netherlands before, y'all. Okay. Ooh, here we go.
Back to the future.
To the future. Okay. She ain't getting but a little piece. So this is the detail on the waffle. It does look just like a waffle. It does have that caramel there in the middle. That's all she's getting, y'all. Do you like it? Of course she does. While she is getting the emoji, I'm going to move on to the next item, which is fruit candy cars. Yes.
What is this?
Juicy. It says, this sure is good. Like good. So the next item is fruit candy cars. Juicy strawberry, black currant, and cherry. Candy shaped like cars. The manufacturer of this has been making sweets since 1965. And their product lineup includes parking attendants, steering wheels, and of course their best-selling Cadillacs. Okay, let's try. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. What kind of car is that? Oh, is that?
It looks like a Tesla.
Y'all, she don't know. She said it looked like a Tesla. That looked like a Batman car to me, but maybe not. They all look the same? Wait. So, there's strawberry, black currant, and cherry. I'm going to say this is the strawberry. Maybe you have the... I can't take people nowhere. So this is my car. Yes, a pink Cadillac. It is chewy.
Yeah, chewy.
So it says the strawberry is the strawberry pink wedding car.
What?
The one that you have is the black currant purple sedan. And then the cherry is the cherry red Cadillac.
I thought it was chewy.
I told you it was chewy. She's getting her emoji down. And then we're going to go through a recap and her emojis. hold it up while I show the emoji. So do you all remember the Gouda? That's her emoji. I believe that's the meh emoji. Okay, put it in the bag or box. Hold that up. Now y'all remember the salt and black pepper chips? She didn't even finish the chip, y'all. She ate half of the, she ate that little piece and then she sat it down. And it's like, where's the trash? There's just sea salt and black pepper on a chip. Anyway. This next one. Y'all, she gonna get hurt. You gotta show it so they can see it. So for this one, she put, this yum is amazing. Like that. And then on these, which were the spiced cookies.
They are not spicy.
Not spicy, it's a spice cookie. Not spicy, it's a seasoning that's called spice.
Oh.
You'll taste it in like pumpkin pies and stuff like that. So on this one, she put such a Dutch crunch. What a smiley face. She liked it. And then, y'all, are you gonna put that in the box? Okay, great. Hold that up just like that. She's not getting these. She said, this sure is Gouda. With a waffle thing on the side. She is not getting these Stroop waffles, y'all. She's not getting these. Put them in there. Oh, she didn't put them in a box. She know. She know. Okay, the last item, which was the the cars. 10 out of 10, she would snack again. That was a pretty good box. What do you think?
Great.
Great box. That's all we have. I'm going to have me a cup of coffee and enjoy my Stroop waffles, and she will be able to take most of these other things. She done put my candy bar up in here. She done put the candy bar in the box. And she trying to literally... She's trying to close the box. Anyway, that's all we have, and we will see you on another video. Thanks for watching.